Hi everybody, let's learn how to create a modern ad banner using 5 steps, and you will have a secret tip at the end of the video. Download image links from the description and follow along. Now we can open Photoshop, open new document with 1080-1080 size, and select RGB mode for digital ads. Click View New Layout Guide to add guides. As we are into a minimalistic trend, we can use shapes to build the design. Click the rectangle icon on the left bottom of the menu, have the curve value as needed, and draw a rounded rectangle. Press Alt and make duplicates of the rectangles. Change the fill to none and increase the stroke size to a few rectangles. Arrange the rectangles in the up and left of the design. Duplicate another set of 3 rectangles and put them down. We will use them as image placeholders. Press Ctrl+T and make these rectangles wide as possible. Now select the top 3 rectangles and press the group icon or press Ctrl+G. Now select the group and click the Effects panel and add a color overlay. I am using the Ferrari Red color as it goes well with modern trends. Put all the up rectangles in the group. Now we can add Memphis graphics to our design. Click the rectangle tool and draw small rounded rectangles. Select all, right-click and click Merge Shapes and add a color overlay. I am using French gray as it goes well with white. These Memphis graphics direct the viewer's eyes to the information needed and work like unknown arrows, so place them wherever you want to direct the viewer's eyes. Now we can type the text for the ad design. Most ads will have a text layout, headline, logo, subtext, contact details in the ad. So we will use these in our design. For headline, I combine 2 fonts to get a modern look, and I use minimalistic serif fonts in the design. The fonts used in the design are given below in the description. Arrange the texts with the size color needed. Now, we can create another Memphis graphic with text. Type X in the text and put rounded font. Now right-click and rasterize text and click Merge Layers. Now we can get an awesome Memphis graphic. Place them the way you want in the design. Now, open the image in Photoshop, scale it to the needed size and arrange it down by pressing left bracket. Then right-click and select Create Clipping Mask. The photo is masked into rectangles. Click Image Adjustments Black and White to make the image black and white for minimalistic style. Adjust the values needed. For more detail, you can add an abstract white image in the background to create a trendy look and feel. Though we completed 5 steps, there is something called designer's block in our design, that is, we would have left small details in our design. To find that, change your environment for 5 seconds, and then get back to work, and you will have a fresh eye and have a perfect professional design made. You can find the finished PSD files in Gumroad. If you like the learning session, please click the like button. For more such amazing videos, subscribe to Smart Work Studios. Share this video with your friends who want to learn this trending modern minimalistic graphic.